Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to link pages in Figma. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to log in into your Figma account by going to figma.com and logging in. Now once in here, what we need to do is we need to actually do a few things here. So to link pages, we first need to add our text. So let's go ahead and click on the text tool here, and you want to add a text. So for example, I'm just going to add a flying chicken text here. And from here, you can change the size for it if you want to as well. So in this case, let's go ahead and change a few things here. But yeah, so once you've edited it, you could go ahead and just select it to make sure you've actually selected the actual link or the actual text here. And at the very top, you should be able to see the link or create link option. You can go ahead and click on it. Now in this case, once you click on it, it's going to ask you to type the URL for it. So before you are able to actually connect these two pages, go ahead and go to the page that you want to basically connect. So for example, we have page 2 here. Let's go and right click on it. Click on the option that says copy link to page. Go to the type or paste URL section again. Paste your link and just press on enter, and that should add a link. So whenever someone actually clicks on this one, it should redirect you to the page 2 of your project. And in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.